Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking note making for 11th and 12th class. This is very important question that comes under reading skills section. It comes for 8 marks and very easy to understand, very simple to get full marks in this question. First of all, note making that I am teaching today for 11th and 12th. Let us talk about its division of marks. Here I have written 1 mark for heading or the title, 3 marks for notes and abbreviation, and 4 marks for summary that you are supposed to write in around 100 to 120 words. My dear students, before I come on the actual teaching of it, have you seen number of students in the classroom noting down something or jotting down something when the teacher taking class? Yes students, absolutely right, you got it correctly. It is note making. Sometimes the notes aid in memorizing, revising, summarizing, reinforcing and recalling information whenever needed. Thus, note making makes students active participants in the process of learning and promotes peer and the group learning. It is a single most important tool of learning at the secondary level and beyond. Sometimes what happens, in the absence of teacher, your notes help you a lot. So here the CBSE has recommended this question, how to prepare absolutely perfect one or the correct notes. For this I have written here the format. In this format, first of all the title will come and you are supposed to write the title in capital letters. Then I have written here, you will write subheading number 1, and under this subheading there will be 3 to 4 subheadings. Here 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, that is for subheading. Subheadings. So in these headings you are supposed to use phrases, not sentences. Your phrases must be crisp, must be short, it must be brief, and use of abbreviation is mandatory in notes. Here this subheading stands for your notes. This notes that I have already talked, the notes and abbreviation will come for 3 marks. So these notes I talked about. Before I explain you further, there are some tips that will help you in making the notes. First of all, read the given passage very carefully. Read the information carefully. Number 2, mostly key phrases. You will jot down only the key phrases. Fine. Notes are useful if they are useless if they are not accurate. So write clearly and accurately with correct spellings. Do make use of abbreviation and symbols. It will make your notes more effective. Now here I have written for your convenience heading number 2. It simply means, suppose in your question there are 6 passages given to you for reading to solve this note making question. So these 6 passages you may divide into 3 parts, like first 2 passages that will come under your subheading number 1, and for that 1.1, 1.2 subheadings 3 to 4 can be used. Then your second part, that is subheading number 2 for your second portion, second part. Then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, it may go up to 2.4 or 5. As per the means whatever points you feel it is important, that you will jot down. Then comes your subheading number 3. It will come like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and here I have written 331, 332, 333. It simply means if you feel if मेरे headings में कुछ ऐसे सब points आ रहे हैं and that I need to write, for this you may use this pattern, this format. In certain books you may get like A, B, See, this can be used. There is no harm. So it's somewhere you will get 1, 2 Roman numbers. This can also be written. Fine. So this pattern is also okay. This pattern is also correct. This pattern is also correct. You will write it as per your convenience, but it is mandatory. You need to use subheadings under every subheading. Let me make it clear here one more point. Your title must be different from your subheading 1, from your subheading 2, and from your subheading 3. After that, I have written here abbreviation used. Yes, after your notes, when you complete your notes, then from the next line, after dropping one line, next is your abbreviation used. Means the abbreviation that you will be using in your notes. For example, certain suppose there is this and sign. This is universally accepted abbreviation for and. And this is a bit obvious, you will get it everywhere. Suppose there is a word average, AVG. I have removed the vowels here, from here, means E and this E and this A, but initial average, this is your abbreviation that you will write, use in your subheading, and then the same you will show in your abbreviation box. I have written here the minimum 5 to 7. You are not supposed to increase the number. You will there are certain students जो एक common mistake करते हैं, वो 10 to 12 or sometimes 15 abbreviation they use in abbreviation box. It doesn't look nice and it look very awkward. So 5 to 7, these are accepted by CBSE pattern, CBSE format. 5 to 7, minimum of 5 abbreviation and maximum of 7. So this part will help you in scoring 3 marks. 1 mark is for your title, another next 3 for your notes. Then comes the part summary. I have written here some key points for your help. Please take care of word limit in summary. This is 100 to 120. Then elaborate notes in sentences. The notes that you have made, same notes. Like in our notes we have used phrases, not sentences, but here you will explain those notes into sentences. Summary you are supposed to write in sentences. Don't copy language as it is from the passage. Means there must be a little bit slight change. You may use synonyms or antonyms as per the demand of the question. Don't add examples in summary. For example, अगर आपके नोट्स में आपके क्वेश्चन में that you have read कोई examples given है तो आप उसको add नहीं करेंगे, because you have to crisp it. बहुत short में करना है. Means 1000 words को you are going to write in 100 to 120 words. Hello students, for keeping this in mind, I have taken one example so that you can understand how to prepare notes. This is first 2 passages I will be reading for you, then I will tell you how the notes can be made. We have different motives of putting on perfumes. We apply fragrances either to be perceived in a certain way by others or to feel a certain way about ourselves. Some of us also use perfumes to make a fashion statement and project a desired personality. Fine. At the outset, you need to be clear on what you want a perfume to do for you. Once you are clear with the intentions, they decide what your signature fragrance should be. This is determined by your personality types. When you decide to use a certain fragrance to feel a certain way about yourself, you seek to reconnect with your inner self. Now, how the question will come? On the basis of your reading of the above passage, make notes on it in points only, using headings and subheadings. Use abbreviation wherever necessary, minimum 4 or 5, and format you consider suitable. Also supply an appropriate title to it. See what I have made: perfumes personality enhancer. I have written it in capital letters. Then I have written the subheading also in capital letters. Why to use perfumes? Question mark. See, this is sentence, but it is the crisp sentence that can be used. 1.1. Then subheading we will talk about project desired personality. Personality, here I have used abbreviation. Make fashion statements. Here this can also be used as like STMNT. In this way you may make the abbreviation for it. But you please keep in mind there must be minimum 4 to 5 abbreviation as per the question demand. Enhance personality. Personality, repetition of your this word. Now reconnect with the inner self. After making it, after reading the next paragraph, just keep jotting down the way that I have told you, the tips that I have shared with you, and in the end don't forget to write the summary. So in this way these tips will surely help you in learning this how to make note making. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel ML English Tutorials. Thank you.